Alright YouTube, got a fun little trip planned for today. First things first, we're gonna take Tyler on a trip to the store to pick up some materials to replace his radiator, because it cracked. I don't know how much help he's gonna need with that. I think he's got that, so hopefully I don't have to get my hands dirty. And then after that, we're gonna take a trip over to the cage builder and check out the progress on the M3 build. Yeah, the weather's kind of crappy today. Other than that, hopefully it'll be fun. Hope you enjoy it. Here we go.
Welcome to the vlog, episode 69. You remember me from the Corolla episode. I was doing some sniffing around the front of my Corolla and I smelled this sweet maple syrupy smell. And I found a crack in my radiator, so today Bongbong is gonna get under my car and drain my radiator. We're gonna do a coolant flush. What was that?
Not doing any of that. I'm here for the ride.
All right, well.
Let's see what the kind folks at Toyota's got for you.
1 gallon? Yes, and I'd also like to get a thermostat if you have one.
Oh, there you have it, Tyler. You got your coolant, you got your thermostat gasket, your thermostat.
Factory red fluid.
It's red, so you know it's good.
Yep. All right, now what you're supposed to do, this is 50-50 mix, so you take half of this and half of the green kind that you get from Advance Auto, and mix it up.
I thought you were supposed to drink half of it.
Well, you can drink as much as you want.
You shouldn't drink any of it, it'll kill you. That's what they say.
But it tastes good.
It does taste good, that's why dogs drink it. Where are we getting next? Harbor Freight?
Yep, let's go.
All right, we're taking a little pit stop at, what are we doing? What are you getting here?
I gotta get some ghee, some paneer cheese.
Oh, sweet. All right, Tup, so what are we getting in here?
Something to mix coolant with. I need to get some, the coolant I bought is not pre-mixed, so it's concentrated, so you have to mix 50-50 with distilled water.
That's not cool. All right, so that might have been the first time I've ever gone to a Harbor Freight and they not had everything. So now we're gonna go to Home Depot for your little measuring cup.
Yeah.
Man, it's not having a lucky day today. They didn't have your cheese at the last place either. Yeah.
So, update vlog episode number 69. Bongbong is driving now. We're on the way to Home Depot, and he said that he was gonna get under my car and drain the radiator.
Did not.
What was that? You said you were?
No.
Yeah. So he said he was gonna do it.
I started this vlog out at my house saying
he said he was gonna do it, and then now apparently it's too rainy, so we're not gonna do it till tomorrow. So getting wet. Basically, everyone who asks me who fixes your car, I say, you know, the truth is I can do some shit, but really?
Vlogging is so weird.
Tito does it.
Jesus, man. That one very nice.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, so there you go. We got what we came almost ran into time. We got a container, we got some rags. These really suck for picking up liquids. Sorry, buddy.
Tell me this now.
Well, you asked me. I said get the blue stuff.
But not these. That fits in.
All right, so there you have it. And this is why projects always take forever, because you go out thinking you're gonna go buy a couple things and then be done with it, but really it just ends up taking all day. So like Tyler said, we're probably not even gonna get to the car tonight, and I'm gonna probably end up just going to the cage builder next. To go to Chesterfield. What?
Come here, dude. Whoa. Mark of the beast, bro.
All right, well, I guess we'll pick this up with you tomorrow. Or...
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
Yeah,
appreciate
man.
you.
Yep.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Close the door first. All right, so now let's head off to the south side and take a look at this cage. Well, we've been sitting in traffic here for the past, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. I know every city or town has its traffic issues, but I gotta say that Central Virginia traffic, particularly here in Richmond, has to be the most asinine bullshit I've ever had to deal with. I lived in Atlanta, I've driven in Los Angeles, driven in Chicago, lived in Indianapolis, even Manhattan, and the absurdity of how bad we are at driving here in Richmond, Virginia just drives me crazy. Every time there's any sort of weather change, just all hell breaks loose. It drives me crazy because it can be sunny and then it'll rain and then everyone will wreck. But it could be rainy for a week and it'll become sunny and then everyone will wreck. Or daylight savings time and it gets dark or whatever. Any major change will cause Richmond drivers to wreck. This leads me to my next point. No one knows how to use the left lane here in Central Virginia. Unlike the Midwest, where people respect the use of the left lane and that it is meant to pass and then you get back over into the other travel lanes, here people just camp out in the left lane. It just truly pisses me off. Yeah, Packer just texted me literally, because Richmond plus rain. Anyway, onward with this little adventure. Look at that f***ery. Look at it. Holy shit.
Whew. Alright, so that was pretty fun. Thanks for coming along. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.